Hey, it's your boy Justin, J.Varizzle the Fisher, back at you with another episode of the kayak. Myself and McGregor, who has already launched, are setting off on another wayward adventure. This time we're in a tidal creek. We're in Town Creek, North Carolina. Town Creek feeds into the Cape Fear, and it's like under 50 degrees right now, just under 50 degrees. Had a little bit of a cold snap. Had a little bit of rain lately. This is brackish water, so I mean, it's a crapshoot. It's inconsistent. You could come up with anything. You can catch a drum. You can catch black drum. You can catch red drum. You can catch sheep's head. You can catch bass. You can catch gar. You can catch bowfin. Any number of species in this water. I don't know what this cold snap's going to do. I don't know if it's going to turn the fish off, but we'll see what the deal is. We're going to head out and go south or southeast towards the Cape Fear River. It's about a 2-mile paddle from here to the Cape Fear. We're not going to go that far. We're just going to keep fishing the creek and see what we can come up with. We'll let you know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, y'all. That right there, my friends, is called the poor man's power pole. Just a 1-inch dowel rod, wooden dowel rod. Cut the end off at an angle, drilled a hole in it, tied some rope, and it's keeping me stuck from drifting in this current, which is terrible. Just an idea. I'm on too. It's a drum. Yep. Oh, flip. Double hook up. All right, we're on the red. Where's my, let's see, how big is he? Slimy. He is 15 and a half, touching almost 16. So not a keeper, but fun catch. Let's get him off. Yeah. Nice. Mine's 16 or right at 16. There he goes. Make sure he's good. Yep. Drop. Is he on? Nope. Had him. Trying to get down there to where McGregor is. Oh, nope. Oh, good. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a drum right there. That's a slot. Oh, I got snagged.